This video will teach you how to name aldehydes, which is a fairly simple process. An aldehyde is a compound that has a carbonyl group, which is a C double bonded O. In an aldehyde's case, that carbonyl group must be attached to a hydrogen. Now, because it has to be attached to a hydrogen, that carbon will always be an end carbon. So you're going to find the parent chain, and that carbon will always be number 1. There may be other groups attached to the parent chain, but that carbonyl carbon will always be number 1. And so the only other thing you really need to be aware of that is different is that the ending for an aldehyde will now be an al. So if we go through our examples, on the next here, on the left you see a carbon that has 1 carbon as a parent. So that prefix is meth, and there's nothing else attached to it. So this would be methanal. On the one in the middle, you have a 2 carbon parent chain, and that would be then ethanal. And on the last example, our parent chain is a 3 carbon parent. This is going to be the first carbon, so we're going to just call that propanal. And that's a pretty simple example, but all of them are examples of aldehydes, and hopefully that makes it clearer on how to name aldehydes.